everyone, it's Nisha. So today, as promised, I am going to do an eye look with the Urban Decay Backtalk palette, which I have reviewed for you last week. So I will link it here if you haven't seen the review, but this is just one of my 5-minute eye looks. So let me first do my cheeks, because this palette has blushes and highlighters. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this one, which is the Low Key. And for my blush, I'm going to use Double Take. Now let's do the eyes. So first of all, I'm going to use Bare all over my lid. Now, like I said in my review, this is lovely shimmering shadow, but it's not as foiled as the Makeup Geek, so you have to pack it on if you want more shimmer, or you could wet your brush. And I don't know what brush this is. This is very old brush that I've been using for years. Now on my Blank Canvas Cosmetics E42, I'm going to go into Backtalk and put that in my crease and then blend it out upwards. So as you can see, I'm blending it quite high. That's what you need to do if you have hooded eyes. Otherwise you won't see this eyeshadow when you open your eyes. Now with the color shade on the same brush, I'm going to deepen up just my crease and just halfway. So from the middle to the outer 7. Now on Real Techniques shading brush, I'm going to take the Attitude and apply it on almost half of my lid, just up to the crease. Just use like a pat and press motion. Now on Morphe M507, I'm going to go to the shadow 180, which is this dark brown, just to darken up my outer 7. Just doing the 7 into the crease. Now with Black Canvas Cosmetic E23, I'm going to go back to shade and shade my lower lash line. As you can see, I've changed my picture here for this video. Do you remember, these are my prints from Desenio? I had them upstairs, but I thought I put this picture here because I'm wearing quite flowery top, and with the flowery picture I sometimes feel like it's too much. By the way, my top is very old. It was from Lipsy, I think, so it's not available anymore. Now I'm going to put, you can take any black kohl pencil, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. One little tip: if your pencil doesn't stay in a waterline, make sure when you're applying it, don't apply it just on a waterline. Try to scrub it in a bit in your lower lash line. That way, if the pencil wears off your waterline, it will still stay in your lashes. So you see, I'm really scrubbing it into my eyelashes as well as putting it in my waterline. And you can put very thin line on your top lid, but just halfway. And now mascara. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I quite like it. It's only a sample size because I keep using the Kiko Ultra Tech, which has been discontinued for ages. So I thought I use different one that you can actually buy. And that's the eyes done. For my lipstick today, I'm going to use something different that I used in my review. I'm going to use the Dior Airy Mauve. I know this lip liner is a bit difficult to get, especially here in the UK, but any mauvey lip liner that you have. I mean, I suppose you could still use the markII. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick in Crazy Beautiful. And for sparkle, I always have to have sparkle. I'm going to use Revlon Pink Diamond Gloss. And this is your finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye!